Hey, I welcome you all to this Option Expert education series. I thank you so much for subscribing to this program. Let me tell you that you know something about stock market or you absolutely know nothing about stock market. My endeavor here is to ensure you that I take you through step by step into stock market basics, understanding simple charts, technical analysis using minimalistically very few indicators because there are hundreds of indicators using very few indicators, and then understanding how to use equity separately, how to use derivatives, how to use futures, and how to use options. Even in options, if there is a possibility to explore more and then understand the Greeks and apply it, work on return on investment basis. Now this is my whole objective. What I would like to do in the next whatever you go through this education package is to make you comfortable putting those kind of traits here. It's all about whatever background you come from or how much ever knowledge you possess about the market. I would like to take you through step by step process. I would like to share my expertise, which I have accumulated over last 20 years. I have actually addressed thousands of people who are actually interested in markets and trying to improve their skills. And also, I've addressed over 5,000 students across India, helping them understand how equity market works. Now, here in this video series, what I would like to do you is actually help you understand step by step. I've actually removed a lot of clutter. I've actually eliminated a lot of distractions and only I tried to add your focus to the subject. I want you to be focused with few things, master it, and then understand the rest of the things. When it comes to technical analysis, when it comes to option markets, what I have tried is actually give you whatever is necessary so that it can help you understand quickly, start implementing it, and then you can explore a lot of other things outside this. Now this course, I assure you, is sufficient enough to understand from absolutely naive situation to being an expert in actually putting up your trades for a profitable equation. Now, what I request you to is go chapter by chapter, make a lot of notes, revisit those videos. Still, you have any doubts? Here, I guarantee you 2 sessions per week, Saturday at 3 p.m. and Sunday at 11 a.m. Live sessions where you can have me answer all your queries and questions. I'd be more than happy to again revisit those chapters, revisit those all the things I have explained, and give you practical knowledge as much as possible. So when you buy my program, the best thing you get is 2 sessions. One is Saturday at 3 p.m. and Sunday at 11 a.m. regularly, where you can have actually this knowledge sharing. Wherever you have doubts, you pause and then make notes. Just shoot me the question. I'll be happy to answer it during the sessions on Saturday and Sunday. Now, looking forward for you to complete this course and join me on an exclusive group on Facebook. I'll invite you to the exclusive group on Facebook where we will be sharing a lot of knowledge, and also you will have so many people who come with a common interest to learn along with you. Now, this group allows you to share a lot of your discoveries, your findings, and even calls. And then at this stage, I would like to give you a disclaimer that my intention is not to give you any recommendations or suggestions, or I'm not here to advise you. My idea is only to give you education, impart you with the knowledge so that you go back and apply and implement it in your life. Again, I would like to clarify that none of whatever I say or I have used here is not part of a recommendation or advisory. It is purely for the education purpose, for the learning purpose. Now, my whole idea is to teach you fishing and not give fish. That is what I strongly believe. So my course, whatever you have taken, is enough to learn fishing and not look for fish. You don't have to look towards television. You don't have to look towards newspaper for information on how to buy shares, when to buy, when to sell. None of those information you need to rely on outside. You can actually rely on your own knowledge, which you have picked using this course to enter, exit, and make profitable trades. I wish you all the best, and I want you to go through this video, make tons of notes, and come back with lots of questions to me on Saturday and Sunday. and I'll be happy to answer them for you. Thank you and wish you best of luck.